Alright, so we're down at Kane's place. You would have seen Kane in a few videos with his Hilux. It's got a few winch issues, which he's sorting out today. So Adam and Kane are pulling the winch out. What's happening is the free spool lever is locked in. So what's it doing, Adam? It's not unspooling. Not unspooling, and then is it winching in at all?
Not doing it.
Yeah, no, winching in, not out. Winching in, not out. All right. So what we're going to do is just going to pull it out and have a bit of a look, and something must be jamming inside. We've had a mate with a similar issue. Is it the same winch he had?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, same winch. Anyway, we're going to pull it out and have a bit of a look.
We didn't take.
See how far we get along with it today.
We didn't take this. Yeah, it doesn't matter.
No.
So first thing we've done, Kane's just disconnected all the battery there, and a couple of the screws are rounded off in the top of the winch control box. We've managed to get those off, as you would have seen, and we're just disconnecting all the power cables and the earth from inside the winch box, and from there we'll be able to have a bit more of a closer look once that's all out and see what the issue is. But main reason we're doing this as well, Kane picked himself up a new winch rope and from Sabre Offroad, and that's also going to go onto the winch once it's all up and running again. Oh. That's playing up on the way in too. So we're taking the solenoid box out. A couple of rusted screws in there, so we'll have to replace those. Have a look inside that and see whether we can play around with it and get that sorted. So you can see in the control box there, and the solenoid's got a bit of corrosion, so we're going to give that a bit of a clean up and see how we can go from there. But if not, probably be replaced anyway, but we'll just see whether we can get it going. Alright, so we've got the old solenoid back in. It hasn't really fixed the problem. It won't come out still, but it'll go in. Yeah, it's just fully corroded. Alright, so it's a few weeks from where we last were down here having a look at this winch. Adam picked up a new winch solenoid from Ironman during the week, and we were just wiring that up now. Adam's in the middle of doing that with Kane, and then we'll run the winch rope out and tidy up the drum and fit the new winch rope that he has there. So we'll get that all done today, hopefully. So just as an easy reference, when we pulled it, before we pulled it out, Kane and I took a photo of where everything goes back in, so all the wires and everything will go back into the right order, so we know it's 100% right. Looking forward to getting this winch going, Kano.
Yeah, well, it's been a while since it's all been working properly, so
yep.
Hopefully no dramas.
Yep, cheap, easy fix. How much was the solenoid for it?
$80 I think it was.
It's not bad.
No, not too bad at all.
Get the new rope on in a minute.
Yep. Should be
alright. And the dogs just jumped up. Thanks, dogs. Righto, so we're just at, back down here. Kane's just pulling the winch rope out, and then we're going to pop on the brand new Sabre rope. All the solenoids all in, and we've got the winch up and running. Alright, so we've just free-spooled the old winch, the old cable off, rope off. So we've got the double braided winch line here from Sabre Offroad. So we'll pop that on, spool it back in. So it's late, it's Sunday arvo now, so that winch is going to probably have to come out and be pulled apart and cleaned up at some point. But just for today, we've got to get in. We know it's all operational and working. And we'll give the winch drum a bit of a clean up and get this all on and sorted.
Okay, pull that first.
Just hold that rope down. Rope here just near Kane's hand, where the rope goes from red to the black colour. When using the winch, Kane just got to make sure that he leaves the red part still on the drum, and that's getting towards the end of the rope, or the full length of it.
Ratchet.
Righto, so we're just spooling it on now. We've just got the idle up on the Hilux going. So we're just going to get it on there nice and neat for the first wrap around, and then what we'll do, we'll end up popping a car on the other end of the rope, probably just during the week, and we'll get that nice tension on and drag the car towards it, and just make sure everything's on there nice and smooth, so when Kane needs the winch, we know it's going to work really good. Righto, so that's Kane's old hook there. I did mention we were going to put that one back on, but this is a bit narrow there. And he's going to be replacing it anyway down the track, so as Kane said, it's only more money. He'll get that all sorted, and then he'll have his winch up and running. Righto, just while Kano's putting the bash plate back on, we'll wrap this one up here, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.
Better make sure it's the right way.
Is this the new desert climate? Now do this.